Good morning students. Today we will start with optional exercise 2.4. Question number 1. Verify that the number given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient in each case. Okay beta, this is the polynomial given. Let us name the polynomial as p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2 and the zeros given are 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. हमें वेरीफाई करना है क्या ये इसके जीरोस हैं. तो जैसे हम 9th क्लास में रिमाइंडर फाइंड करते थे तो we will find the remainder. That means we will find p of 1 by 2. So putting 1 by 2 in place of x in the given polynomial, 2 into 1 by 2 का cube plus 1 by 2 का square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So 1 by 2 का cube 1 by 8, 2 and 8 gets cancelled off, we get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4 minus 5 into 1 by 2 5 by 2 plus 2. Taking LCM as 4, we get here 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 4 2s are here 8. This comes out to be 0 by 4 which is equal to 0. So since remainder is 0, therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 is 0 of p of x. Now let us verify whether 1 is the 0 of this polynomial or not. So we will be finding p of 1 by putting 1 in place of x in this only. So 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. Solving this, we get 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2 which comes out to be 0 again. So again remainder p of 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is 0 of p of x. Now let us verify the third number which is minus 2. Again we are finding p of minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 का cube plus minus 2 का square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. Again solving this, 2 minus 2 cube is 8, 8 2s are 16. So because minus sign is there, so minus 16, minus का cube minus होता है. तो minus 16 plus 4, minus into minus plus 10 plus 2 which again comes out to be 0. Remainder p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus x2 is 0 of p of x. Now we have to verify the relationship between sum of the zeros and the coefficients of the given polynomial. Okay beta, the three zeros given were 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. Let the first zero alpha be 1 by 2, beta be 1 and gamma be minus 2. So sum of the 0 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. Taking LCM 1 plus 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So on solving this sum of the zeros we are getting minus 2. According to the relation it is equal to minus b by a. Now from the given polynomial b is 1, a is 2. So minus 1 by 2. So here the verification is done. We are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now let's see the second verification. Second verification is sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time. So first 0 1 by 2 into second 0 1 plus for second 0 1 and third 0 minus 2 plus third 0 minus 2 and alpha again first 0 1 by 2. 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled off. Now from here we get 1 by 2 minus 2 minus into plus minus, so minus 1. Taking LCM 2, 1 minus 4 minus 2 by 2 which comes out to be minus 5 by 2. And when we see the coefficient relationship is equal to c by a. Now from the given polynomial c is minus 5. So here minus 5. A was 2, so minus 5 by 2. So again we are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. Third part, product of the zeros minus d by a. So multiplying 3 zeros, 1 by 2, 1 into minus 2. So it comes out to be minus 1. Now seeing the coefficient minus d by a. from the polynomial d is 2 and a is 2. So minus 2 by 2, which comes out to be 1. So we have verified all the three relationships. Same thing you will do for the second part as homework. Now coming to question number 2. Find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and product of the zeros are 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. Now what three things are given in this question? First is sum of the zeros, that means alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is given as 2. Second thing which is given is sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. It is given as minus 7. And the third thing which is given is product of the zeros. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 14. See, when we were having a quadratic polynomial, then 2 zeros were given. Now, and there the formula used was x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Now, here are 3 zeros. So, the formula used will be x cube minus sum of the zeros into x square plus sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time, that means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus product of the zeros. This is the required polynomial, and for learning आप ये याद रख सकते हैं, फर्स्ट टर्म पॉजिटिव, सेकेंड नेगेटिव, थर्ड पॉजिटिव and fourth negative. Now let us put the values. X cube minus sum of the zeros 2 into x square plus sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time minus 7. So plus minus 7 into x minus product of the zeros minus 14. So minus 14. So now let us write it finally. X cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14 is the required cubic polynomial.